In Springfield, schools are trying to combat the flu and other illnesses by sanitizing where kids go first before they step in the classroom. KVAL's Claire Benitez talked with a bus driver who says she hopes this new device will help keep her kids healthy and safe.
Pretty simple, huh?
Yeah. Mary Lee Brown has been driving students to and from school for over 40 years. Her main priority, keeping her kids safe and healthy.
It has been horrible this year. Really, it's really scary.
This flu season, fewer students are boarding her bus.
I've gotten very, very light loads due to the fact of the flu.
But Brown has a new tool to help keep her passengers healthy. It's a new sanitizing device.
It's an electrostatic charge. It's they call him a stormtrooper from a Star Wars gun, and basically it's just a mist, and it charges the water in solution as it comes out of the gun, and it just wraps around all the components on the bus.
Replacing squirt bottles, a multi-step process.
The big thing with this is that you have to pre-mix it, and you have to get the mix just right for it to be effective. Whereas with the pure tablets, we don't. It's basically 1 quart of water, 1 tablet.
Helping prevent a variety of illnesses, not just the flu.
It kills mold, bacteria like staph infection, MRSA, things like that. And we're trying to protect a big gamut of things.
We worry about our kids on our buses and, ourselves, and we just want everybody to stay healthy.
Hopefully stopping the spread of germs before they affect the entire bus and the driver. On average, Springfield buses picks up about 4,500 students a day. Bus drivers say their main priority is to keep them safe and healthy. And with this new device, they hope to do so. In Springfield, I'm Claire Benitez reporting.
The new sanitizing device is also being used in district offices and buildings.